Merry Christmas, guys!
Yeah.
Hey.
Christmas!
Yes, Christmas kisses from Hudson.
Hudson's
We have
here.
a special unboxing.
Nice.
Our amazing, our extra good channel supporter, Patreon member BonnieBon Bon from Florida sent us this box, and she said, "Don't open it till Christmas." It came very early, but we waited.
Yep. Here
Even
we
though
are.
Hudson was not patient for it.
Christmas
He
for
was
Hudson.
sniffing at the box. Yes, he was. So without further ado,
Here we go.
oh God, lots of kisses. We're gonna open up the BonnieBon Bon box. Ooh, Hudson. Here's a card first.
Oh,
Here, let's
nice.
move this out of the way.
Here we go.
James, Karla, and Hudson. Most importantly. Wait a minute.
Look at Hudson.
Oh, Hudson.
Oh.
Oh my God, this is the cutest card.
Oh, let me see.
Wait.
Oh, that's great.
Isn't that sweet? With the
Oh,
doggies
man.
looking at the gingerbread
Doggos.
looking houses.
Christmas doggos.
So let's read the card. To James, Karla, and Hudson, happy holidays and best wishes for the coming year. Oh, kisses for you, Bonnie. Merry Christmas and the best New Year to the best club of New York City and the Pizza King. That's him.
Pizza King
Hudson, love Bonnie.
Oh, Bonnie, fantastic. Let me show
And
one more
she
thing.
sent us a gift card.
Oh,
Thank
nice.
you so much, Bonnie.
Thanks,
That's
Bonnie. That's
so
fantastic
sweet.
job.
Extra good.
Oh, that's pretty. Yeah.
Isn't it?
Good.
So without further ado.
Oops, fell over. Jim
I
can't.
got it.
Jim can't seem to handle that right now. There we go. Oh. Oh.
Oh my God! It's a Christmas jumper for Hudson.
Oh man. Oh, Bonnie.
Oh my God! Let me get. I have to get scissors too.
The Bo Brummel.
Oh my God! Oh my
Oh,
God!
he's styling.
I did the dangerous scissoring of the box,
Yeah.
but I should have realized there's going to be a need for scissors.
Oh.
Wait.
He's got a sweater. A Christmas jumper. Oh
there.
man, that's adorable, Bonnie.
Hold on, I don't want him.
Oh, fantastic job, Bonnie.
This is going to be amazing on him. Let's not put him on it right away because let's open the other presents and then we can go down the hall. I'll put this
With
on
his jumper on.
Yes, with his jumper.
Christmas
Is that okay,
sweater?
Hudson?
Oh, I love it. Oh man.
Cute, it's a bear. Isn't it sweet? And it's got a little
Christmas
pom-pom hat.
bear. Look at Hud sniffing it.
Oh my God. I'm going to take out some of these things. There's 4 of them.
Oh, he loves them.
The big bites
Oh,
with
man.
peanut butter.
Look at him. He
Quad.
loves them.
The quad big bites.
Fantastic job, Bonnie.
Oh, look, he wants it. Oh,
Yeah.
Huts, there's more. This is a whole box for Hudson.
I just peeked in there.
You did, right? Wait, there's more.
Oh, he loves those.
Are these the peanut butter?
Yeah, let me tell you, Bonnie.
Oh, look, he's like, okay, come on.
Oh,
You
Bonnie,
show
Baba.
me these. You don't even give me one.
Fantastic job.
I'm protesting.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Oh, he loves these BonnieBon Bon. And we're out of them. We really safety sealed this.
Snip, snip. Look at Hudson. He's getting closer.
I know, because he's like, open it. You know, because of the peanut butter inside, they really seal
Yeah,
it.
they seal it. Yeah. You know, you gotta seal it.
You have to cut it right to the edge to be able to open it. Okay, no, you're impatient. There we go. I got it now.
Oh, he loves them.
Ooh,
Ooh,
see?
it smells good.
They're coated with peanut butter on one side. Do you see that milk bone? See the peanut butter?
Oh, yeah. Oh, keep him away from Jim. And not on his new sweater.
I know.
Look at him. Oh, he loves a body.
Wait a minute, there's more. Oh.
Oh, business bags.
We'll bring it to Florida.
Oh, perfect job, buddy.
More the business bags. Wait, there's
just
something
so
in
awesome.
there, but I can't show you right away.
Oh, my
I'm gonna
God.
go crazy. What's this?
Variety
Variety
snacks.
snacks. Beef, bacon, cheese, and peanut butter.
It's a smorgasbord.
It's a smorgasbord. It's a Christmas smorgasbord.
Oh, a buffet for
A
Hudson.
buffet.
Yeah.
Oh, Hudson, you want to try some of these? Yeah. Oh, look at him. He's like stamping around. He's like, yeah,
Yeah,
I don't
get
mind
it.
if I do.
Yeah, I want it. Oh, Bonnie, fantastic job.
Oh,
Great
wow.
stuff.
Look at this. All these different flavors. I'm going to get one of each. We're going to try them all, okay?
Oh, let me see them.
Oh, look at this. Oh, he's
Oh, man.
loving it.
Yeah, he can't wait.
Okay. Please paw. Oh, good boy.
What a good
and
boy.
he's balancing just like, and he's doing the please paw, but he's balancing so.
Oh, he loves it.
Okay, now
Drop
I
it.
think this is the cheesy flavor one.
Oh, Hutz.
Oh.
Cheesy flavor.
Okay, and then what's our other flavor? There was bacon, cheese, peanut butter, and beef.
Beef. Where's
I
the
think
beef?
this is the beef.
Look at him. Oh.
And last but not least, bacon.
Oh, he loves the bacon. Keep him
Loves them all. Thank you so much,
Oh,
Bonnie.
Bonnie, one more.
And then wait a minute.
Oh, I saw it. I saw it.
You saw what's in there, right?
Oh
my God.
Hudson.
Oh my God, the squeakables.
Yeah,
Wonder.
clip in and make a noise. Oh, buddy.
Hudson's already down because he knows what this means.
Yeah, he knows. He can smell it.
Hold on.
Mm,
But we
fun.
gotta put his jumper on first.
All right, put his jumper on.
Oh wait, one more.
Dude, look at it. He knows,
coming
buddy.
up.
He knows. Oh.
Okay, hold on. I gotta get in one more.
On
Wow,
BonnieBon.
they have a lot of tags on this.
On BonnieBon Bon.
Another tag. God.
Oh, it has an orange stripe.
Oh, it does have an orange stripe. Look
All right,
at the teeth.
put his jumper on.
Look at the
Here, I'll hold that.
teeth.
Yeah, look at his
Yeah,
teeth.
hold that. We gotta
Put his jumper on.
and then we're gonna go down the hall. And all his bones. Okay, first we gotta put your Christmas jumper on. Come here. Put it over your head. Oh, Bonnie, it's gonna fit perfectly.
Oh, I could tell already. Hudson's raring to go.
Okay, I got one pull through.
Look at him.
Wait a minute, one more paw.
One more paw, big boy.
Oh,
Oh, look at it. Coast is clear.
Wait, come here. Can you see the jumper?
Check if the coast is clear, guys.
Oh, God. He's taking your sweatshirt down.
The whole thing is collapsing. Oh. Oh, look.
Look at him with the jumper.
Oh, man. He looks so great, buddy. Here.
Here, do your signature. Oh my God, look at him go with the jumper. Top speed.
Top speed.
I want everyone to see his
Yeah,
jumper.
look at his jumper. Oh, Bonnie. Oh, look at it on him.
Look, that's perfect. You got it like a nice...
Wait, I'm zooming in on it. Oh, man. Yeah, throw it. He's waiting. Oh, look at him go, Bonnie. Oh, fantastic
So
stuff, BonnieBon Bon.
Bonnie. Oh my God.
Oh, thanks so much.
Oh my God.
Thanks so much, BonnieBon Bon.
Oh, you send the best presents for Hudson. This is so sweet. Thank
Fantastic
you,
job,
Bon.
Bonnie.
One more down the hall.
One more.
One more with the Christmas jumper. Oh, he loves it. Look at him go. Look at him go. He's like, yay.
There he
Thank
goes.
you, BonnieBon Bon.
Thank you, BonnieBon Bon.
You're so sweet. We can't wait to see him when we come down to Florida.
Anytime now. Bye, guys.